got the Flexon 50-foot hose from Walmart for $19.88. It's got 5/8 inch diameter. It says it has a kink-stopping male coupling, prevents kinking when uncoiled from the male hose end, and comes with a Velcro strap, and it's good for all year round. Take the cardboard off there. It says it has a lifetime warranty. The instructions and the address are on the back. If you have a problem with the hose, Flexon Industries, 1 Flexon Plaza, Newark, New Jersey, 07114. You just need your receipt. All right, here's our hose. There's the end of our hose there. It's got a coil on it. There's a look at the other end of the hose. Got our strap for storage. We can loosen that up and hook that on something. All right, let's try it out.